trees. Got 20 dirty bitches down on the knees. Water, water, H2O. No big screens, no HBO. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. These hoes just won the Fat Boy Lotto. And please let me use your grotto. Hefty bitches is my motto. If you get on top, hooker, I think you might break my throttle. I'll knock your head off. You softer than a bitch's skin. You stupid bitches cannot win. Fuck your wifey in the face and then I'll take your next of kin. Rent it 10, I'll stick a dildo in your fucking fish food. Which dude's fish food? A rich dude's fish food. I got an iPad, iMac body, and your mama sucks my dick when she's high on Molly's. Molly's.
This is agriculture. I grab a vulture. Who left that toad on the table? Grab a coaster. Girls wanna cuddle. Yeah, they wanna snuggle. Oh, that's a cute teddy bear. Put it in your butthole. Ooh, what you know about me, dirt nasty bitch? I'm a farmer. Come through with an ugly ass hoe. Call her two-headed llama. She wanna sleep on me. Better bring some pajamas. I got a white boy entourage. Johnny Drama.
With the lamb text, two strudel, toasted strudel, ballin' on you poodles, two cougars, 40 plus, clutching Rugers, black out the two-seater, MC Hammer, have you seen her? Seen her? 40 carats in the gallon, it's apparent. Your parents got 'em running like mascara, tempers flaring. I pull up in the Ric Flair McLaren, 4 bad bitches on probation. Are you sharing? Are you sharing? Got 'em jealous, 20 inches. On you fellas, chop up tellers. Got you running over, Jerome Bettis, Versace lettuce. No diet, Gucci eyelids. I go to sleep, snobby pilot.